Fred Brown came in 1985. I came here in 1995. Fred was coming to prominence in the 70s and 80s in New York. And when I got to New York, as it turns out, the gallery that ended up representing me, Steven Rosenberg, was a good friend of Fred Brown. So I met Fred on my first trip to New York. And then we became friends over the years. Right? I've been doing this for a year or more. Perfect. His work is really based on a lot of the issues I'm really interested in also, which is music, primarily jazz and blues. So I think the music is probably the most interesting parallel, between his work and like mine. You like some tea? Yeah? That's just the paint, yeah, no problem. 1 of 15?
Okay,
yeah? So the order, I listen to music while I paint. I have to have it. For me, it's like breathing. Jazz has always been part of my life. It's one of the greatest gifts the African American community gave the world. And for Fred, he's documenting the life of the African American community. Not just in New York, but I think across the world, across the U.S. Yeah, this is great. Nice to see your gallery.
Thank you. Art is so important, isn't it?
It's unbelievable.